Today we are on page 56 and we are going to learn the capital letter D. So this is a print D. Capital D is a little bit fancy. It's got some squiggly fancy lines. And whether or not you like him, D stands for Donald Trump because you guys cannot deny that this little part looks like a Donald Trump hairdo. Come on, you know I'm right. All right, so pencils down and watch me do the Donald Trump hairdo. Ready? So when you do the letter D, you are going to start at the top. You are going to curve down. So it's almost like a little dot here. Ready? Actually, I'm going to start on this one. Ready? Watch only with your eyes. Put your pencils away. Put them down. So you're going to curve back this way. When you get down to the bottom, you're going to do a little loop-de-loop U-turn. Go back this way, curve around so that you come up to where you started from, and then you do a Donald Trump hairdo to finish it off. Come on, you know I'm right. All right, watch me do another one. I'm going to do a by myself one, watch. So you're going to curve down. When you get to the bottom, whoops, forgot to do my Donald Trump hairdo, so you got to do a U-turn, and then you're going to, it kind of reminds me of an L. That's what a cursive L looks like in uppercase. Then you're going to curve back up, and when you touch the dot, you're going to do a loop-de-loop Donald Trump hairdo. All right, you ready to try it with me? That was a presidential song. Okay, so start at the top. Pick up your pencil. Here we go. You are going to curve down. When you get to the bottom, whoops, I forgot to give Donald Trump his hairdo. U-turn, go back around. You're going to go all the way up till you touch back where you started from, and then Donald Trump hairdo. All right, do another one. Ready? Start at the top, curve around, go all the way down to the bottom. When you get to the bottom, U-turn because you forgot to do his hair. Come back around until you touch, and Donald Trump hairdo. Let's do an in-between right here. This is a hard one, so if you don't do it right the first time, that's what happens. I don't do things right the very first time I ever try them. It takes practice. Here we go. Start at the top. We're going to kind of curve down, and then, whoops, forgot to do his hair. So you're going to go up and around, U-turn, and go back to that bottom line, curve around, just go where you started from, and then Donald Trump hairdo. All right, so you're going to finish the D's, and then we're going to do the letters here. What does this say? What letters? D, R, D. Well, okay, it could be DER like the beginning of the word drive, but since it's DR period, that stands for doctor. That's the abbreviation for doctor. Next one, D-A-D. Dad, that spells dad. All right, flip the page to page 57. The first several words here are D words. So let's start with the top one. Again, we've got DR, which is doctor's abbreviation, or it could be the abbreviation for the word drive. Like if I say I live on, I can't think of, Privet Drive from Harry Potter, you Harry Potter fans, Privet Drive. Drive abbreviation could be DR. All right, next one, spell it. D-A-L-L-A-S. What is it? Dallas, Texas. Dallas is a city in the state Texas. Next one. D-O-V-E-R. Anybody know what that is? Dover. If you take off the R, it'd be Dove, but it's Dover, Delaware. That Dover is a city in Delaware. Next one. Ready? D-E-L-A-W-A-R-E. What word? Delaware. I said Dover, Delaware, so there's Delaware. That's a state. All right, and notice that's a W because it connects at the top part. Next word. D-E-N-V-E-R. What word? If you're not sure, break it up. Denver. Denver, Colorado. Denver is a city in the state Colorado. All right, so for each one, trace and write. Trace it, write it. Trace it, write it. So finish the D's on page 56, then do the D's on page 57, and do your best. Get busy.